Hey guys, this is a video that has nothing to do with the Jeep, but has to do with my my furnace in my house. The inducer motor, or the exhaust motor, this black one right here, it died on me. Here's the old one. The motor seized on me, or the bearings wore out, and it wasn't exhausting to turn on and all that stuff. So I ordered it from Amazon, and here's a part number. I don't know if you can see it. Probably not. But found it on. It's on the side of the motor. On this side, actually, the left side sticker. Says the part number. I ordered on Amazon. Real easy to change. There's a screw here, a screw right here, the ground wires here. There are two leads that came off with black and white. There's another screw back there, and then there's one down there. And it works. Really easy, simple to do. Oh, and then the clamp right here for the top part. Real simple. Cost, I had 2-day shipping. Didn't need it fast, it was really cold. So I got it this morning. But yeah, it's a simple fix, real easy. The old one, this thing is not spinning freely. Supposed to spin freely by hand, it's not because the motor's used. See the numbers, I don't know. Anyway, yeah, just look on your old one. There's some good sticker. It's a Goodman part. I'll just say the part number. How about that? It's a Goodman part number 223075-1-01. Sorry. That's it. It's an Amana furnace. That's it. See ya.